Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today I'm going to be working on a iPhone XR. Today's June 19th. This is the XR. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen. It has a big crack at the bottom. And then as you can see, it had the lines in the LCD all messed up. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. And also I'm going to go and put the water seal on there as well. So I'm going to speed up the video, start the timer. So here we go. And we are done. So 18 minutes and 32 seconds. We got the water seal on there and a brand new screen. Everything functions. And again, this is the XR. So check out our website if you need an iPhone repair, factory unlock to go to a different carrier, whether you're on AT&T, Boost Mobile, Simple Mobile, T-Mobile, and you want to go to Metro or a different carrier, we can unlock it. Again, check out our website. I'll put a link in the description below. And as I always say, if I can't do it in under 20 minutes, it's free. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. We always appreciate that. And as well, if you can, share the video on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We always appreciate it. So thank you again for watching, and I'll be back shortly with more videos. I'll see you guys soon.